thought I'd share a little bit about my own personal experience with workshop power dynamics. When I started my MFA program, I was already a published author. I think my 10th book came out sometime right before the semester started, and over the course of that first year, I think I had a book nominated for an award. It wasn't something that I brought up a lot, but inevitably at the beginning of a workshop, the leader of the workshop would ask us each to introduce ourselves and include our publishing history to date. I think it gave me a somewhat unique view of power dynamics in the workshop because I often ended up on both ends of that continuum. There were definitely people who gave my words more weight and listened to me more carefully because of my experience. But it also sometimes put a target on my back. There were some people who seemed very eager to take me down a peg or two. Both situations made me consider my words and actions very carefully. I tried not to weigh in too soon because I didn't want what I thought and said to influence what other people were going to say and think. And I also don't really like to clap back lest I look like I was kicking puppies, but I'm not crazy about feeling like a doormat either. So workshop was not always a safe space for me, despite how much I usually enjoy them. I had one mentor who reached out to me to see if I was okay. Wasn't a big deal. It was just a quick little note to let her know that she was paying attention and that she had my back if I needed her. It was a small thing, but I keep in mind a lot of times that something small like that can have a really big impact for our students. Thanks.